I don't know how she does that either.
Well, you just don't do very, oh yeah, do very shallow. Here you go. Yeah, you see? Got it. Alright, one for you, one for me. Then we're done with the salty one. We gotta focus on the sweet ones.
We're gonna be here till midnight
No, we're not.
making Dragon Festival dinner. Do you need more string?
Not at this moment. Pretty good. Wow, this is my best one, Mom. This is my best one.
Look at that.
Hang on.
Let's get a real close-up of it.
Come on. Get a real... Oh, you know what? Let me cut it up first, because I probably will screw it up in the last minute. Ta-da!
Look at that beauty. Nice job, Ting.
Thanks.
How you doing
Look how
over there,
much we
Jay?
have.
John?
Oh my god.
By the way, Jay is John's uncle.
Let's see the leaves. These are bamboo leaves.
Yes.
And we're celebrating Dragonfly Festival.
Dragonfly Festival.
Which is going on.
Literally, Mom, dragon boat, but not fly. Okay?
Sorry about that, Dragon Boat Festival.
Oh my god.
Dragon Boat Festival.
Here we go.
And we're using bamboo leaves again. And we've got some of the leaves stuffed with sticky rice and red beans. And we have some stuffed with black beans and
pork belly.
jerky treat and pork belly. And
give a close look to John's second.
oh yeah, that's a nice
This one's
one.
Better.
Your first one's better, I agree.
Thanks, boss.
Oh, Mom, look. I'm getting it.
Yeah. Oh
Look
boy,
how tight it is.
that's
what you
amazing.
want. John, look at this.
Wow, that's perfect.
That's a perfect one.
Here's the bamboo leaves that Ting soaked overnight for 24 hours. Many of the items that we're using here have been soaked for 24 hours. Marinated her. Lots of preparation. And then you gotta cut the leaf stems off and but
Wash them one by one.
wash them. They gotta get washed. You can't put them in the dishwasher, but
You can't put them in the dishwasher, but
you can hand wash them.
She's good. She's the best.
And this is great. I mean, just very time consuming. And look at that. There's
But
Ting.
it's very fun, okay?
It's fun.
It's a family activity.
It's a family.
It's a family activity. And what better to do than a family activity
Yeah.
for Dragon Boat Festival?
You get it right.
Yay!
Okay, Mom. Now I'm gonna make it the sweet one. Are you gonna be my?
Yeah, this is a sweet one here, which
you.
has... I'll have to just wait a minute here. But hang in there, folks. Okay, so this is a sweet...
Not sticky rice. This
no, it's tapioca and red
No,
sweet potato.
purple sweet potato. But
Purple sweet potato.
okay.
And we've got here, I have to show you the pot on the stove. We've got two pots going.
I think you need to do literal translations of the Chinese.
I think probably
Here is one pot with the sweet rolls in it. And then here's one. Oh,
No,
Yeah.
that one is the sweet one. The one you
who cares? No one will know. They're both the same.
who cares? No one will know. They're both the same.
Okay, folks, do you have any questions about what's going on here? If you do, just
leave a message.
send a text and we'll let let you know how we survived all this. It's now almost 7 o'clock p.m. We started at 3, and of course I told Ting we better start at 2, but John had to work, so that was okay. So here we are.
Figured out by ourselves, which did not make a big progress.
Okay, everybody have a great evening, like we said, from Ting, John, and Pam at the Craft Household in Austin, Texas. Be sure to subscribe to Ting's Cookbook
on YouTube.
And if you have any other questions, just send us a text. Bye. Have a great evening.
Mom, they can't send us a text. They don't have my phone number. They have to leave a comment.
They can text me, Pam Craft.
No, don't give people your phone number.
Oh, okay. No.
I think after this
What you need to do is just join Ting's YouTube, Ting's Cookbook. Lots of great recipes and fun stuff and just tremendous cuisine.
Tremendous.
Okay. Outstanding cuisine, John says. It is.
Thanks, Mom. That's
Okay.
Okay.
Have a great evening. Might be still afternoon for some of you, but
She's been saying goodbye.
goodbye from Austin, Texas.